Hello everyone. SSCGT 2025 third shift analysis February 20. The directive principles of state policy DPSP are included in which part of the Indian Constitution? राज्य की नीति निर्देशक तत्व DPSP भारतीय संविधान के किस भाग में शामिल है? The answer for this question is part 4. भाग 4 में शामिल है. The directive principles of state policy DPSP are found in part 4 of the Indian Constitution, especially under Article 36 to 51. Who was appointed as the Director General of the Border Security Force BSF on August 3, 2024. 3 अगस्त 2024 को सीमा सुरक्षा बल BSF के महानिर्देशक डीजी के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? The answer for this question is दलजीत सिंह चौधरी. Daljit Singh Chaudhary is the current Director General DG of the Border Security Force BSF. He was appointed on August 3, 2024. His term will end on November 30, 2024 or when he retires, whichever is earlier. According to 2011 census, which Indian state had the highest male literacy rate? 2011 की जनगणना के अनुसार भारत में सबसे अधिक पुरुष साक्षरता दर किस राज्य में थी? The answer for this question is Kerala, 96.1%. Kerala 96.1 male literacy rate and 92.1 female literacy rate. Lakshadweep 91.8 male literacy rate. Mizoram 91.3 literacy rate. 88.7 Goa. Tripura 87.2% literacy rate. Literacy rate in India. The literacy rate for India in 2011 was 74.04%. It is very important question. Next, the male literacy rate for India in 2011 is 82.14%. The female literacy rate for India in 2011 was 65.46%. In which year did the Henry Moseley organize the periodic table based on the atomic number? Henry Moseley ने परमाणु क्रमांक के आधार पर आवर्त सारणी किस वर्ष व्यवस्थित किया? The answer for this question is 1930. Henry Moseley organized the periodic table by atomic number in 1913. U. Srinivas was renowned musician associated with musical instrument. U. Srinivas किस संगीत वाद्य यंत्र से जुड़े हुए थे? The answer for this question is mandolin. Who were founders of the देवबंद मूवमेंट इन 1866? 1866 में देवबंद आंदोलन के संस्थापक कौन थे? The answer for this question is मौलाना मोहम्मद कासिम नानातावी and मौलाना रशीद खान गंगोही. मौलाना मोहम्मद कासिम नानातावी और मौलाना रशीद अहमद गंगोही. These are the founders of the देवबंद आंदोलन. The Deoband movement was founded in 1866 by the Maulana Muhammad Qasim and Naunati and the Maulana Rashid Khan Gangohi. The movement was started in Deoband, a town in Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Which festival is celebrated to honor the snake goddess of Manasa? कौन सा त्योहार नागा देवी मानसा के सम्मान के मनाया जाता है? The answer for this question is बिहुला फेस्टिवल, बिहुला त्योहार. The Bihula festival is folk dance and festival celebrated in Bihar, Jharkhand and Bengal that honors the snake goddess Manasa. The festival is based on the story of Bihula, a woman who was sought to receive her husband after he was bitten by a snake. Under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution, for how long can national emergency initially last? भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 352 के तहत राष्ट्रीय आपातकाल का प्रारंभ कितने दिन समय तक लागू रह सकता है? The answer for this question is 6 महीने. According to Article 352 of the Indian Constitution, a national emergency can last for maximum 6 months. initially can be extended indefinitely with a parliamentary approval every 6 months if needed, meaning the emergency can continue for a long parliament approves with a 6-month renewal period of each time. C.V. Chandrasekhar was a renowned of Indian classical dancer associated with which dance form? C.V. Chandrasekhar किस भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैली से जुड़े थे? The answer for this question is Bharatanatyam. What is the standard weight of the shuttlecock in the badminton? Badminton की shuttlecock के मानक वजन कितना होता है? The answer for this question is 4.75 to 5.5 grams. 4.76 से 5.5 ग्राम से होते हैं. A standard shuttlecock weight between 4.75 to and 5.5 grams, 0.168 to 0.194 ounces. It's also known as a BD or bird. Who is known as the father of the Carnatic music? कर्नाटक संगीत पितामह. कर्नाटक संगीत जनक कर्नाटक संगीत पितामह किसे कहता है? The answer for this question is पुरंदरदास. Purandara is known for the Karnataka Sangita Pitama or the father of Carnatic music. He is credited with establishing the system of teaching in Carnatic music. According to the All India Survey of Higher Education AISSE 2021 to 2022, how many students were enrolled in the higher education in India? All India Survey of Higher Education 2011 to 22 के अनुसार भारत में उच्च शिक्षा के कितने छात्र नामांकित किए थे? The answer for this question is 4.33 crore. In which 5-year plan was the concept of the Atmanirbharta, self-reliance and Atmasrujan, self-sufficiency emphasized? किस पंचवार्षिक योजना में आत्मनिर्भरता और आत्मसंतोष की आदावरण पर जोर दिया गया था? The answer for this question is third 5-year plan 1961 to 1966. Who is the current Minister of the Heavy Industries and Steel of India 2025? भारत के वर्तमान भारी उद्योग और इस्पात मंत्री 2025 कौन है? The answer for this question is H.D. Kumaraswamy. Which bacteria causes typhoid? The answer for this question is typhoid किस बैक्टीरिया के कारण होता है? The answer for this question is Salmonella typhi. Which scheme focuses on the converting animal and organic waste into biogas and compost? कौन सी योजना पशु एवं जैविक कचरे को बायोगैस और खाद के बदलने पर केंद्रित है? The answer for this question is गोबरधन योजना. Thank you for watching. These are the key answer analysis of the SSC GD 2025 examination, February 23rd shift analysis.